Welcome class. Today we are going to start the next part of your chapter preposition. In your last class we discussed about preposition of place and preposition of time, and today we'll be discussing about preposition of direction. So preposition of direction means the preposition of movement that tells us about where or in which way, usually describes about the or indicates the direction. For example, I saw him going across the road. Which direction? Across the road. He jumped straight into the water. Where? Into the water. Okay, so this through into the train passed through the tunnel. He was moving towards the mountain. So this direction, towards, through, over, into, under, up, down, etc., he was going down. Like which way? Down. Okay, so these are your preposition of direction, which shows or tells about the direction, movement or direction. Before the competition, Avinav swam across the river. Which way? Across the river. Okay, he climbed up a tree to get over the wall. Where? In which direction? To get over the wall. Flying saucer just flew over that building. Which way? Over that building. When Archimedes discovered the law of buoyancy, he ran through the streets shouting Eureka. Okay, through the streets. Which way? Through the streets. So, and next is the preposition of cause and purpose. When we use prepositions such as for, with, by, whom, through, to, on the account of, in certain ways they denote cause or purpose. Means shows us the reason or the effect. For example, we need to start preparation for annual day. For what? For what reason? What is the cause? For annual day. She won't succeed with hard work alone. With. What is the purpose? With hard work. I need money for the rent. Why? For the rent. He could not take the exam on the account of illness. Why? On the account of illness. So this by, from, with, on account of, these are your preposition of cause and purpose. Next is your prepositional phrase. This is a bit tricky. Now see. Raman makes beautiful paintings on the computer. On the computer. Harish walked into the dark room cautiously. Into the dark room. So these are known as your prepositional phrase. The phrases that is starting with preposition. In these sentences, the phrases on the computer, into the darkened room begin up with preposition. These are known as prepositional phrases. The phrases which starts with preposition. For example, in the evening. He asked me to meet in the evening. So this in the evening is your prepositional phrase. Okay. The prepositional phrase is made up of preposition, its object, and any adjective or adverb that may be associated with the object. Prepositional phrase can have the function of an adjective or an adverb. Means a prepositional phrase can do the work of a adverb or adjective. For example, she is wearing a pink gown. So pink is an adjective. She is wearing a gown of pink color. So of pink color is your prepositional phrase. See, look at the lady in the pink gown. Please stay. So this is modifying the noun lady in the pink gown. See, so this in the pink gown. Please take the pen next to the telephone. So take the pen next to the telephone, modifying the noun pen. As an adverb, it modifies a verb. As an adjective, it modifies the noun and will answer the question which one. Look at the lady in the pink gown. So in the pink gown, this is your adjective which is modifying the lady. As an adverb, it modifies a verb which can identify the prepositional phrase that acts like an adverb by asking the question how, when, why, where. The poor man sat beside the fence. Where? Beside the fence. So this beside the fence is your prepositional phrase. I go for dance classes after school. When? After school. Prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase working as adverb. Prepositional phrase working as adjective. Okay. They finished the match by scoring the winning goal. Finished how? In what manner? By scoring the winning goal. So this is your answer. So this prepositional phrases means the phrase that starts with a preposition. Looked at the lady in the pink gown. So in the pink gown is the adjective, is a prepositional phrase working as adjective. Beside the fence, prepositional phrase working as adverb. Okay, so this was your entire chapter. I hope you would not find any problem, but if you do, clarify it during your online classes. Okay, so in your next class we'll be starting, I'm thinking to start your idioms first rather than your conjunctions. Okay, so I will be starting your idioms first. So till then, revise this chapter, see if you have any problem, complete the exercise. If you get any doubt, get it clarified during your online classes. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye.